Hello and good morning from Hat Yai. Today is day 2. We arrived at Hat Yai yesterday and then we slept one night, and today we woke up a little bit late just because yesterday was super tiring. We actually drove through a huge downpour and actually right through the flood. But now we're just packing up and settling the rest of our stuff because we want to go to the laundromat. Everything is wet and dirty and we need to get our laundry done. So we have 2 big bags right here full of our dirty laundry. We're actually staying at a pretty central area. Over there is already Central Hat Yai, which is a big shopping mall. And then right beside here is actually Macro. The weather at Hat Yai is not looking great. We just checked the weather forecast. It's set to rain for the next few days, which is not ideal, but there's nothing much we can do about it. Now we're just going to pack up and then we're going to go to the laundromat. It's quite a fair bit distance away, but we have to get our laundry done. As we were walking down, I asked the front desk one more time, is there a nearby laundromat? Just because the one I found online is a bit far. And he said, hey, we actually have laundry service here. It's right here. So this is the washing machine, and each of the load costs only 20 baht. Right now we need not walk so far just to do our laundry. We're just gonna get it done quickly so we can go and eat later. And just in case you were wondering, our bike is parked very nicely under shelter. So we have around an hour for the load to start to wash, and then later we'll transfer it over to the dryer. For now, we can go and find something to eat. Stopped by this little shop we found along the roadside, and then we ordered some crispy pork rice. The staff here is very friendly, and the lady actually speaks English, so she was kindly explaining it to us, the menu. And there was a nice uncle also that explained us directions how to get to Big C or Lotus, because this is a relatively new area we're staying at. We're not quite familiar, and he advised us to take the bus down, which costs only 10 baht. Maybe we'll try that later on. The crispy pork is super crispy. It just melts in your mouth. Super nice. We are back at the hotel. As you can see, it is night outside already. Basically, after lunch, we just went for a quick walk and we came back to finish the laundry, and we will stay in our hotel room to do some work. Now it's approximately 7 p.m. We're gonna actually make our way down to Greenway Night Market. Let's go. We are now at the night market, and it's a little bit quiet today just because it is a Thursday, so not a lot of the stores are open. The main star of the show here today is the food section, but then again, a lot of the stores are closed today, but we're still gonna have a walk around and decide what to eat because it is dinner time. So they operate by a cash card system here. It's really simple. You just give the amount of cash you want to the counter, and they would put the value in a little card, and you go around all the food stalls and you just have to pay via the card. So a lot of the stalls are actually closed. We're gonna walk around and see which one is open and what we want to eat. This is what we have ordered for dinner. Alan got his pork leg rice. I got Pad Thai with seafood. Decided to indulge myself today. And for dessert, we have the all-famous mango sticky rice. Everything here, including the drink, brings us to a total of 230 baht. Authentic Thailand Pad Thai is different, and they're so generous with all the seafood. I've got mussels, I've got prawns, squid. Oh, it's so sweet. Thailand mango is different. It's super sweet. After you're done with your meal, you can just return back the card to the cash card station and then you'll refund back the money inside. Unfortunately, a lot of the stores are not really open. I suspect it's because it's a weekday. Today is Thursday. Most probably there'll be more opened and more happening on the weekends. Also, it's because it's raining, so I think it's a bit inconvenient for people to come. But either way, if you're coming to Hat Yai, definitely don't give this a miss. It's really very bustling and happening when everything is open. But with that, I'll end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. On the next video, we're actually gonna be riding the motorbike up towards Suratani, so don't miss it. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!